Hello everyone, let's make a new recipe. It's a new invention. It's a curry, Satvic veg curry, whatever you call it. Okay, it's a curry and it's so delicious. You had to try this out. I have taken here some veggies, capsicum, carrot, and khol, and I have taken here the green beans. I have removed the peel because it was ripe enough and it was dry, and I took the peel out and only the beans I'm using. Or else you can totally skip this part, and you can have next is the potato also. I have cut it into small pieces and kept that in water. It shouldn't turned out black, that's why. So now I'm adding all the veggies to the pot except capsicum. Remaining things you can add. So you need not to take like these veggies only. You can take whatever veggies you have. Only thing is matters is the gravy. The taste will give you from the gravy. So vegetable taste is also there, but little. Keep this on a stove, add some water. You can add how much you want and just cook it in a low flame. So in a meanwhile, I'm cooking here millets. So whatever millets you have, you can take, or else this gravy will go with in one parathas, chapatis, everything, rotis. So I'm here cooking the millets. I have soaked it for a 6 hours and then I'm kept it for cooking. So after some time, see the check veggies it's cooked or not. If it cooks, then at the end we are going to add this capsicum. So don't add capsicum earlier because it will cook fast. So now you have to add the capsicum and stir it. Let it cook for some more time and leave it. That's it. The vegetable is cooked now. Here our rice is also cooked, right? We will grind the masala. For the masalas, what we require some ingredients. That is 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, half tablespoon of jeera, and chili according to your spice taste, and some curry leaves. Just dry roast it. No need to put any oil or nothing. No need. And now I'm adding here sesame seeds. This is unpolished sesame seeds. Dry roast this also. Once it roasted everything, you have to switch off the gas now. So after switching off the gas, we can add here roasted gram dal, right? Chana dal, roasted chana dal, what you call that one. So add only 1 teaspoon is enough, I guess. Okay, just to make it warm, that's it. So now it's the this is the gravy thing, it's done. This is the masala thing. You have to grind this. See, only this thing you can grind and add in the veggies, and cook for a while. Then you can add this coconut and tomato, because we are adding here tomato and coconut also. Tomato and coconut we should not heat on direct stove, right? That's why um, you can grind that separately and add it later at the end. But here what I'm doing is I'm doing all together. See, I'm grinding this coconut fast, and adding all the masalas ingredients. I'm adding even the tomato and some cilantro. So I'm doing here all together, mixing, grinding everything. I'm not going to cook this on direct stove. Like veggies have cooked it, right? So I'm just adding it. So for you, if you want the masala should be cooked for a while on the with the gravy, along with the gravy, what you can do is remove this only coconut and tomato. Remaining things you can grind it, and you can add that to masala, vegetables, and just cook for a while. Then you grind one more time tomato and coconut, and after switching off the gas, then you add that coconut and tomato. Okay, so here I'm, see, my veggies are cooked, right? I don't cook for a longer time with even masala also. So it's depend. It's give little different taste. That's it. So okay, now I'm adding here all the masala all together. So I told you, as you wish, how you want to do. You can try both. See which one gives you more tastier. You can go for that, right? Mine is done. I have added and I'm adding salt also. Yeah, you had to add salt. Okay, sea salt or a rock salt, anything. I'm just switching off the gas. See, I'm not cooking this on direct stove. And the clip pot is hot, so that will only give that warmness. That is enough. Okay, so yeah, this is it. If you want some gravy, your gravy should be watery. You can add some more water here. Okay, this is right, guys. It's very easy, simple recipe. Our rice is also ready, and the curry is also ready. Only the serving part. It's very delicious. You had to try this out. So masala we have used that dry roasted chana and sesame seed, the jeera and the coriander leaves. That gives it different taste. So, guys, are you going to try this out? Please try it, and let me know how it turned out. Okay, guys, this is it. See you in the next video. Namaste.